What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Right now we're about to get some lunch, meet up with Aries, and then we're gonna drive back down to Miami, and we gotta check into our penthouse.
House tour.
Literally.
Bro, I'm naming it my new penthouse tour.
Bro, that's what I was gonna do. And I want to take a picture with David's LV duffel bags too. Anyways, guys, we're gonna get some lunch because we haven't eaten, and I think later down we're gonna drive down to Miami. We gotta check into our other place. We'll be there for a couple of days, so hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go. Why is there so much traffic, bro, on a Sunday morning? I feel like there's never traffic over here. This is good. You comfortable, G?
Yeah. No, low-key, it's not bad. The E92 is kind of spacious.
Well, E92 seats it's actually like really, the car is spacious, bro.
It's actually really spacious.
How do you feel, David?
Bro, my head hurts, bro.
How do you feel, William? Good? It is raining, guys. Why is it raining over here? It's full of rain, huh? Yeah, that's true.
This is nothing. We haven't seen anything.
Miami's raining right now too. I checked it.
Yeah.
Numbers you ever ate in your life? Huh? You don't like it?
Alright, guys. We got some meat with rice, some corn. Chef Aries in the house.
This is habitat.
Damn, that shit's bomb, bro.
Happy shabu. They are sick.
Wow, look at all the food we got. For sure we're eating good. Rich.
Everybody. Look at all like
We got little sippy cups, guys. Sippy cups. I wish you guys were here to try some. Pull up, come to Florida.
Brother.
I don't want to go there.
Look at that, guys. Little dessert. Damn.
David, look.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Bro.
Happy birthday, guys.
Stop, bro. Thank you.
The richest man alive. Do it.
What the?
Cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, dear Puto. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, guys, so we finished up lunch and now we're gonna go down to Miami. We're about 3 hours away. Not too bad. As you can see, it is still raining, guys. It's been raining for the past 2 days now.
Not too bad, you guys. You
It's
guys are used to it.
It's raining in Miami as well, so we gotta go and check in, and I think we're just gonna relax. Yeah, you see that? And maybe we'll go out later tonight in Miami, but the weather's pretty bad, so I don't know yet, but we got the whole squad with us. Nice and comfy. Alright, guys, we stopped for gas. We're still about 2 hours away, 2 hours and 12 minutes, but we need to fill up before we keep hitting the road, because I think this is the last gas station on the toll road. So, oh my goodness, it's still raining. And if you guys don't remember, but this is the gas station where William's car broke down. It was this Shell gas station, so it's kind of sketch driving at night with these rainy conditions, but you know, we don't have another place to stay, so we gotta go check into our hotel. All right, guys, it is now my turn to drive. I think William's tired, so we're gonna trade places. I'm gonna drive the E92 all the way down to Miami. I don't like driving in the rain, guys. I really don't, because you could just hydroplane so easily, but William is tired, and so I figured I'll take over, we'll drive. We're only 2 hours away, but still feels like a long time, especially because it's raining and, you know, the roads are sketchy and stuff like that, so just got to be more extra careful. We can't really drive hard as we'd like to, unfortunately, but we'll be all right. Pray for us, guys. Pray for us. Just drive back with us. Why can't you just drive back with us, bro?
Hell no.
Why?
It would be fun. I'm telling you, I would love to do a cross-country trip like this one day, but
one day. That one day is never gonna happen.
My private jet.
Cancel the jet, G.
Wish I could, bro. I swear.
The jet that can hold like 200 people.
Yeah, my private jet.
That jet?
Bro. It's like Drake's.
All right, guys.
Your little arms don't work?
Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't.
I think Aries deactivated mine when I had my ears.
My mom likes them. Like when it works,
Yeah, when it works, it's cool.
she likes them. Like my dad, he tried to reach for the seatbelt, and she's like, no, let the little hand give you the seatbelt.
My head hurts, bro. Maybe we should try to get off, bro. But there's no
There's no exit.
There's no exits for a long time, so we have no choice but to stop here. But it is sketch though, bro. I swear.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put up
We
the
can reset it out.
codes, take screenshots so that we can talk to yours.
Can't you reset them on Carly?
Yeah, you can just reset the codes.
I'm gonna erase it, but I want to see what else pops out.
Oh my gosh,
It might be the old ones because we haven't even. Because when Eris took that thing, I don't think he reset it.
What?
Scary.
Every day, G79.
Scared, G.
I know. You just keep driving.
Should I just keep going then?
I think you should
Wait,
reset them and keep
wait.
driving, bro. It's fucking sketch right now.
I know.
We get smacked in the back at that speed, bro. Me and David getting squished back here for sure. We're dead.
I know. Okay, we should, just
But you
screenshot
gotta
those
drive
and.
careful because it has no traction. You just drive at a cool speed.
Okay, then we just clear them and then go again.
Put an answer?
No, we haven't called them yet.
Just call it through it.
This is normal.
No, it's just resetting. It's resetting.
So drive the car through D codes. DBS malfunction, DSC malfunction. Start off assist.
Okay. Codes are cleared.
Wait, it's taking. This may take a few minutes.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Bro, let's go.
I mean, I don't even feel this.
Why, bro? How are these cars driving so fast,
Because it's Florida, they don't care.
bro?
Kevin, that's
There's no way they're going this fast. Hold on, we gotta. It's clearing.
People are saying it's probably just a wheel sense.
Okay,
The auto actuators.
done.
Wait.
Or low battery. Bro, it could be a bunch of little things.
Diagnostic is complete.
Yeah. So.
Okay, so should I disconnect this?
Yeah, disconnect it. Plug in that thing and then.
Which way does this shit go? I forgot, bro. Alright guys, we're back on the road. Nothing yet so far. But you guys are saying it's what?
It's speed
BMW.
angle,
Yeah.
steering angle sensor.
How far are we from the hotel still?
Bro, I swear I think that code came on mine too. If I can remember, I
An
think
hour and 55.
Hour 55? It's not too bad, but still. I'm not going no more than 60 guys because it is raining. And I do have 3 other people in the car, so I do have to be very, very careful. So
what's scary is turn off traction.
I know. I don't even like driving in the rain that much, but alright guys, we have finally made it to Miami. We're about 20 minutes away. Car's been good so far, we haven't had any problems, thank God.
Except for my butt.
Yeah, Nick's in pain.
Bro, I'm so comfortable.
Why? Look at that.
My butt cheeks.
Alright guys, we have finally made it.
Oh, he's a building.
I know.
Actually, move here.
I would move here for sure.
Bro, it looks great.
The nightlife here is amazing. We out here in the streets. Yes, sir. Bro, it sounds ridiculous. Calling it, look. Damn. Photo shooting, King. Fucked them up, look. Fucked them up, G, they got scared. to check in. We're ready to go inside, look at the new penthouse. All right, guys. Well, we are inside. Damn, this shit is nice, bro.
Huh?
This is nice.
You like it?
Sheesh. Do I like it? I love it. Damn, we're high as shit. Oh my god, bro. We're high, bro. And I'm not talking that high. This shit's nice though.
It's cool.
Yeah, shit, hella nice. Sheesh.
So where do we sleep?
Don't matter, bro.
Where do you guys want to sleep?
What's you guys want?
I don't care, honestly. I like this though.
Well, there's no more lights?
All rooms are nice, though.
For sure, they gotta go brighter, bro.
There's only three rooms?
They gotta go higher. I don't know. Bathroom hella nice though. Damn. Freaking hey, bro, this shit is super nice. Wow. What'd you guys think about the new place? You know, had to leave LA, come mess with Miami for a little bit, you know?
Bro, shut up.
Fuck, bro. No way. Oh shit. Dude, Skyami for real.
But look at the yacht over there. That big ass thing is a yacht. Shoot ahead.
Alright guys, it is currently the next day. Let me just show y'all something real quick. Look at this view in the morning. Oh, my phone down. Bro, damn, this view is insane. God damn, bro. Look at that boat right there, that yacht. Sheesh. This is why I like Miami. I like the views. Got the water, the boats, the buildings. Kind of reminds me of a little bit of downtown. Downtown just like this, but we got more buildings over there. You got the view down there. It's just so freaking nice, guys. It is cold though. It rained yesterday, but it's not supposed to rain anymore. I think for the rest of the week it's gonna be sunny, so we'll see. All right, guys, so what do you guys think about the new spot? Should we move here? I think this is perfect. This is so sick. I don't know. Comment down below. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.